Oh yeah, baby. Welcome to Chef Bourque's Cajun Kitchen. Hot dang. Hey, look here. Today, doing something special. You know, everybody got a kid that likes to plant stuff. It's in their nature. They like to do that. It's in their nature. I mean, if they find a little piece of corn, they put it in the ground to see if it's going to grow. You know, that's the way kids are. You know, they'll even plant a stick. Let me tell you what. We got birds, and I tell you what, we have a whole bunch of these little bird containers here, plastic, with the little lid that comes off. Here's what you gotta do. You know, let's get that kid really involved with something. Teach him how to grow potatoes. Right now, it's getting into crawfish season. I figure 3 months down the road, I'll be just balling them up, baby, balling them up, doing my thing, just balling up my crawfish. And I tell you what, I'm gonna show you what I be using. But first of all, if you got a kid that wants to plant, get a little container, a little plastic container like this. Hey Shirley, you coming over, baby? Get your little container like that. Now this is good for apartments too. You can put that on the windowsill, facing the sun, so you can catch a little sunlight in there. Watch out. I'm going to show you how we're going to do this, but I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Let me show you something. Now, when I start balling my crawfish this year, here's what I'm going to use. My good friend Chris Fontenot from Eunice. This is what he uses. See that? Oh, yeah, Cajun life, baby, a Cajun life. Seafood ball. Crab, shrimp, and crawfish, or whatever you want to put in there to ball. This is the thing to use. Look for it on your shelf. I tell you what, you'd be so damn happy you did, Jack. Anyway, let's get back to my potatoes. Yeah. All right. I gotta move my camera a little bit so you won't see me for a little while, but you'll be watching everything I do, and just keep an eye on it. Okay, keep an eye on it. Here we go. All right, look. First thing you want to do is get you a container, and I'm using my empty bird feed plastic containers right here, okay? Let me just set it up out of the way. Take the lid off. Of course, you want to remove the lid and just set it on the side. Now I got a little drill. What I'm going to use to make a few little holes in here. All right, we got a hole in the bottom. Now I'm going to put a couple on the sides right here. Just do it real easy. Take your time. It's a good little project, you know, a little project. And there's nothing wrong with growing potatoes. Nothing wrong at all. I like to make a couple of small holes on the side. Because now mine's going to sit in the sun, so have all kind of little things happening with this little container. All right, put this on the side here. I'm done with that. Now, I want to take my lid, kind of squeeze it a little bit, shove it in, just like that. All right, put it in there like that. Now here's what you want your potatoes to look like. See them little eyes? All right, I'm gonna put one potato per container. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it right here in half, just like that. See that? Now when I plant it, I'm gonna plant it just like this. So, want to add a little dirt. Not much, maybe 3 inches, something like that. There you go. But what's going to happen, this potato is going to start growing. And and it's gonna grow upwards. And as it starts growing upwards, as it gets about that tall, where we at there? About that tall, maybe about 3-4 inches tall. You want to cover it with dirt again, all the way to the top. Cover it to the top. And then it's going to start growing through there again. You'll see, it's all good. Now, I'm going to put this potato right here. Watching me? Watch me now, watch me. Put the other little piece of potato. Want to make sure you don't break the little eyes off now. Put the other one right there. Yeah, there you go. We'll get a little tight squeeze, but it's all right. Look at that. Huh? Now, normally I'd be throwing this container away. But hey, not anymore. Now I just put them up in my shed, you know, until I'm ready to plant again, and I plant them. And this one is full. It's going to give me enough bee potatoes for when I boil my crawfish, I can empty this in there and do my thing. Now, let's cover that with some dirt. And look, you don't need to go out and buy your big old sack of dirt or nothing. No. Look, if mama or grandma or somebody has a little flower pot they're not using, do your thing. Ask them for the dirt. Get the dirt. Go out in the yard, dig a little dirt. That's it. I'm done. Whoa, I'm done. I'm gonna water this up real good. Set it in the sun and leave it alone. Just leave it alone. That's what I'm gonna do. Just leave it alone. Before you know it, you got all kind of little potatoes. You're gonna watch them grow. It's all good on the bayou, Shack. Hot day. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna water this right now. That's good enough. Right it. Hey, look, this Chef Bourque. I talk with you later. I hope you learned something. Hey, take it easy. Yeah, baby. Hot day. Oh, it's just too muggy out here, man. I gotta take the sweat out my eyes. Oh, yeah. Keeping them together, baby. And we'll be looking at these in about 3 weeks and see what's going on. Don't forget to subscribe, and you got your thumbs up. Oh, yes.